Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Crypto Coin Analyst. So guys, today we are going to analyze BTC and there is two old coins. One is hard and the second one is Civic. Okay guys, so first we are going to analyze BTC. So as you remember in our previous analysis of BTC, we clearly told you that the price at that moment of time the price of BTC was at around $38,714 roughly. I told you that level wasn't a very good buy level. So as you see, the price again fell down to this level. I mean, you can clearly see that this is very close to our support level, and as you can see this is uh, I have drawn a line from this point to this point, and there is one line in the RSI. We call it as the divergence. What does it mean is that the price is falling but the RSI strength is going up. So it means there is a divergence in the strength and the falling in the price. So it shows it is the bullish divergence. It means the price can go up. This is a possibility. Whenever this happens, there there will come a possibility that the price will go up. So as you can see, the price from here, the price start pumping up, and this zone is very near to our support zone, and the RSI is very, it is on the buy side. So when the price moved up, it again fell down. The reason is that the candle is not that strong. As you can see, there is an inverted hammer pattern, and inverted hammer pattern is in a repeated manner. So all these type of candles shows there is a bearish sentiment is like overtaking the buying sentiment. So again the market fell down at the same level of the support. As you can see, there is a blue curve. This is a blue curve, and the support level is at around 37,144. So again, there is a like this candle is dragon doji, and again from the same point, price went up. So currently, BTC is trading at $40,471, and the previous two candle are they are very good bullish candle. So in we can see the price might break this level. We will wait for this level to break, then BTC will move up definitely. Otherwise, it will come at this point, at this price, and it will like there will be a resistance at this level. Again, might will happen. BTC price will fall down. We will wait for we will wait for the breakout of this price level. See guys, this is a clear resistance. Market has tested before and it will test again. If this level breaks, definitely the BTC price we can see like the next level will be around $50,000. But market will come here and again it will go in a correction. So I hope you have understood all the BTC analysis. Now go to the altcoin analysis. What you can do, as you can see, this is hard coin. As soon as market start trading above this two curve, although the blue curve is above the black curve, but over at this point we got the crossover. Okay guys, but this also shows a very good positive buy sign. As you can see, if someone would have bought it from 1932 Satoshi, the price went up at around 2561 Satoshi, roughly around 600 Satoshis of profit. Now again market gave a correction. Now it is taking a very long time and it is holding at this level, which is our first support level, and it is currently trading at 2033. It means 2033 Satoshis. So RSI is also approaching at the 30 level, and there is, you can see guys, the price is falling but there is no volume. So might be the next few candle or in a coming time, like day or a 2 day, you can see a really good pump in a hard coin. So what will be our target? Our target should be, let's go to 1 day time frame. You can see the very first target is around at the same level, 25 2550. This is our very first target because the market has tested before. This is the second test, and we will take our first target at this level only. And our second target should be at 3300 satoshis. Okay, roughly around the profit of 1300 satoshis. Okay, guys. So we are giving you a this coin. This is purely technical analysis, guys, on trend line, support and resistance, and our unique strategy. You can buy this coin, you should hold it, and what and our stop loss will be at around this level. As this price, if it's drop below this blue curve, so we will take our SL. This is very simple. So our SL will be in hard coin is around at like, let's say 1900 satoshis. Okay, so in this case we are losing our 100 satoshi, and we are targeting for roughly 500 to 600 satoshi. This should be our target. And the second altcoin is CVC. If you want to buy CVC, like if you have to choose either CVC or hard, so I go for CVC because CVC is at very good level. As you can see, this is a day time frame. You can see this is a very nice consolidation, guys. In a coming few days, you can really see a very good moment in Civic. Let's go to 1 hour time frame. See guys, again with the same strategy, market was at second support level, it went up, it came down. Now it is taking the support of first support. As you can see guys, see, this is how this strategy works. You can buy it from here, and our stop loss will be around at this level, 663. It means we are like we are ready to lose our 50 satoshis, and we are targeting around, let's go to 1 hour day chart, and our first very target is 850 satoshis. It means we are targeting 150 satoshis, and our SL is around 50 satoshis. Okay guys, it means risk reward ratio is 3 is to 1. Okay guys, I hope you like the video. For more analysis, you can join our Telegram channel where we constantly post our daily technical analysis, which are very helpful to our clients. Go there and check that out. In the description box, I have already mentioned my Telegram link, my WhatsApp number, my Instagram page. So at any time you can contact us. We are here to help you as we are making peer-to-peer learning community. So I want you to be the part of that community. So guys, please subscribe the channel, please like the video, and please press the bell icon guys. So thank you guys.